So when it comes to getting the most out of your feet, understanding the anatomy of the muscles is actually really, really important. So we're going to go through a few of the muscles in the lower leg, not all of them, especially the ones that can really influence how much of your point range you can control. So first we have Gastrocnemius in here, which is a big muscle, attaches just above the knee and comes down into your Achilles tendon. This is really great for your single leg rises, but I find it does about 7/8 of your point range. So we're going to learn how to get that last eighth a little bit later. Then we have Soleus, which is a deeper muscle in here, which still connects into your Achilles tendon. This is more appropriate for jumping or rising when you've got your knees bent because it doesn't actually come above the knee. Lying underneath that, we have Tibialis Posterior, and this muscle is going to help us a lot when it comes to using our full point range. Tib post sits deep up in the back, wraps around, and actually sits in just underneath your arch here. So when you learn how to use it, it can give you a really nice lift out of your point shoes and also give you that last extra 1/8 at the top of your rise to give you a really nice line. Then we also have your perineals down the outside. They help wing your foot out. Then we need to be very, very careful of a couple of other muscles that sit deep in the back of the calf that actually come down into your toes. Now, if you hold your hand up like this and place your hand around your forearm and claw your fingers, you'll actually feel the muscles through the forearm start to work. The muscles that scrunch our toes actually live deep up in the back of the calf. This is really important when we're learning to find our control that we don't use these because this can lead to a lot of thickening and pain behind the back of the ankle. There's also another muscle through the back that actually scrunches your big toe. We also want to make sure not to use him. So when we're looking at pointing our toes, if Sarah just pops her foot forward, we have our lumbricals, our little baby muscles in here, so that when she points, she gets this beautiful point here without curling the toes under. And this can give us a beautiful line to the foot without curling, which stops us from getting blisters on the top of here, but it also really stops from getting jamming in the back of the ankle, which a lot of dancers have issues with. So when we get to the exercises at the end of the program, we'll go through specific exercises for each of those muscles, but wrapping your head about where they are in your feet really, really helps. So look at the pictures that are in the book and see if you can work out where they are on you.